All right, so you guys are all going to kind of be doing the same thing almost for center number 4. So I'm going to start off with my yellow Yorkies. The first thing you're going to do is read the passage 3 times. Now it says here to make a list of words that rhyme with patch. So, patch. What about the word hatch? That's like the same thing except for I have the huh sound at the beginning. So I'm going to write the word hatch. You can use that example, but you have to come up with your own. Read the question and answer it for number 1. And then it says at the bottom, fill in the blank. We took a bus to the pumpkin blank. So make sure you fill in both of those blanks. My red raccoons, you have 2 pages. You're going to cut these sentences out, and they're out of order. You'll have to put them in order based on the stories that you read prior to this center. Now, if you got this center on Monday, you will need my help because I'll have to find the story for you. But you basically just have to put these sentences in order from beginning, middle, end on the construction paper behind it. And then lastly, my green goats, you're just going to read it 3 times. Color your stars if you'd like to. And then you need to answer the 3 questions at the bottom. Now, everyone will be doing these parts. So first, you're going to build the sentence build the word why. So W-H-Y. You're going to use these. You're going to cut and glue to do W-H-Y. And that would be those. I want you to cut and glue. Don't mark them out like me. And then it says here to write it. So I'm going to write the word right here, why. Then it says to build the sentence. So you're going to cut these out and glue them down. I'm going to give you a hint and give you the first word because I know it's got a capital letter. Why? It's my first word, and it looks like it's going to end with the word here because I see this question mark here. After you cut and glue it here, you're going to write this sentence in these lines right here, and then you're going to draw a picture to match this sentence. I see the word cat, so I'm assuming it's about a cat. Make sure you do every step in that sheet. And then lastly, we have an interactive notebook, so you're going to need to go to the ELA side of your interactive notebook. These are the pictures, and you'll need to match the picture with the adjectives. So, for example, I have here in my interactive notebook a picture of this girl stepping on gum. That seems pretty sticky to me, so I cut and glued the word sticky. Now, you will not need all of these. You'll only need like 1 set of words. You can just throw away the rest of them. But this is how I set it up in my notebook. You can do the same. Just make sure it's on the ELA side.